Alright, I've been testing the Polk Audio Reserve R300, and here's the quick, honest take. If you're building a home theater and dialogue clarity is your top priority, this thing seriously delivers. Voices come through super clean and focused, even when you're sitting off to the side. That's thanks to its high-end tweeter tech, and it really does make movies easier to follow. What I also like is the design. It's compact, fully sealed, and super easy to place. You can push it right up against a wall or inside a cabinet without that boomy, messy sound you get with some speakers. But it's not perfect. It does need a decent amplifier to really come alive, and it doesn't give you that deep, chest-thumping bass. You'll definitely need a subwoofer for that. So, bottom line, if you want clean dialogue and a tight setup, it's absolutely worth the money. If you want big cinematic bass from your center channel, look elsewhere.